Stop scrolling. Netflix buffering on your smart TV is not normal. And no, your internet speed is not always the problem. In the next few minutes, I will show you real, proven fixes that technicians actually use. First, restart properly. Do not just turn off the TV with the remote. Unplug the TV power cable. Also, unplug the Wi-Fi router and modem. Wait exactly 60 seconds. This clears cache memory and background errors. Now plug everything back in. Second, check Wi-Fi frequency. Most smart TVs perform poorly on 2.4 GHz. This band is slower and more crowded. If your router supports it, switch to 5 GHz. Go to TV settings, network, then select the 5 GHz network. Third, disable power-saving features, power-saving limits processing power. Go to settings, system, power saving, and turn it off. Fourth, clear Netflix app cache. Old data causes freezing. Go to settings, apps, Netflix, storage, then clear cache. Fifth, update TV software. Outdated firmware creates compatibility issues. Go to settings, support, software update. Sixth, check DNS settings. Manually set DNS to Google DNS. Use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in your network IP settings. Seventh, avoid background apps. Smart TVs have limited RAM. Close YouTube and unused apps, then restart the TV. Finally, test speed. Netflix needs stability. You need minimum 5 Mbps for HD and 25 Mbps for 4K. If buffering still happens, move the router closer or use a LAN cable for a wired connection. This is Tech Vibes. Fix smart tech the smart way.